Ratings. Respected judges, our team name is Smart Patches. India loses over 50,000 crores every year due to poor road conditions. Potholes are not just an inconvenience, they are major safety hazards. Every year, more than 1.5 lakhs people are involved in accidents caused by these bad roads. Vehicle maintenance costs rise by 50 to 20%. Traffic slows down, fuel is wasted, and people lose hours of productivity every day. Traditional manual repair methods are slow, unsafe, and expensive. It's clear we need a smarter, faster solution. In order to solve this problem, we came up with a new innovation called a Smart Road Patcher, a compact semi-automated machine that can detect, clean, and fill potholes efficiently with minimal human intervention. Our machine brings speed, precision, and safety to road maintenance like never before. As soon as the pothole has been detected, the lever lowers near it. As you can see, the roller brush attached to the lever's end effector, the roller brush activates and starts rotating over the pothole. It sweeps away the dust particles and leftovers present inside the pothole. After the roller brush completes its task, the air blower, which is present here, will be activated and blows away the remaining particles. After the task is completed by it, the filler material, will be dispensed through the pipe located under the end effector. After filler material is dispensed in the pathhole, hydraulic actuator, which is present here, enables the roller and the leveler combination to move up and down. The roller and the leveler assembly lowers down and the leveler blade present here spreads the filler material evenly throughout and the vibratory roller located here compacts the material. Here, the lever has a rotary base that allows it to rotate 180 degrees. Also, there is a rotary joint near the wrist, allows to rotate 360 degrees. Here at the top, the lid is being installed. The lid will be open and the filler material will be poured through the opening through the container. Here, we have installed the bevel pump. We designed the container with a V shape at the bottom so that the filler material naturally collects at one point. This ensures the pump can suck up the entire material efficiently and transfer it through the pipe to the end effector, minimizing the waste and blockages. Here we have installed the cameras to detect the potholes. Here we have installed a lidar that detects potholes 5 to 10 meters ahead. The machine uses lidar to automatically adjust filler amounts, navigate safely around the obstacles, and create maps of the repair roads for maintenance. Key features that make it stand out are automation, reduced manual labor by up to 80%, allows the workers to stay safe and efficient. High efficiency, the machine can repair 40 to 60 potholes per day, depending on the road condition. Cost effectiveness, fewer workers are needed, reduce the repair cost significantly. Safety first design, keeps the worker away and from direct traffic, cutting accident risk by over 50 to 70%. Here how the smart road patcher works in 4 steps. Detection, advanced sensor and cameras measures the potholes dimension with precision. Cleaning, dust and the debris are brushed off to ensure the proper addition of the filler. Filling, the pothole is filled with quick setting durable material ready in minutes. Leveling and compacting. The machine ensures a smooth traffic ready finish, making the repair long lasting. The impact of an innovation is clear. It repairs are 3 times faster than traditional methods. Authorities save money due to the lower maintenance cost. Lives are saved and the accidents drastically reduced. Traffic flow improves and the roads remain safe for everyone. This aligns with SDG 9 and SDG 11. But we didn't stop here. The future scope of the road smart patcher is huge. AI integration for predictive and proactive maintenance. Use of recycled plastic and eco-friendly material to reduce environment impact. Scalable for small municipality roads to highways, making it versatile and ready for national-wide deployment. In short, the Smart Road Patcher is not just a machine. It is a revolutionary step towards safer, smoother, and smarter roads in India. With this innovation, we can save life, time, and money while creating a more sustainable infrastructure for future. Thank you for your attention, and we are excited to bring smarter roads for India with Smart Road Patcher.